What's going on, everyone? Got another hard reset for you. Today we are doing the AT&T Propel 3 5G. If you have one of these and you forgot a pattern or a password and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And lastly, if you haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these hard resets coming up. So if you guys want to see something special, just let us know and we'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, let's get into this. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off. In this case, it is. And you have your volume up, volume down, and power. And we're going to hold volume up and then hold power. And then as soon as the phone turns on, you can let go of power, but keep holding volume up. And that brings us right to our reset menu. It says volume up to select and volume down is okay. It's already on recovery, so we're just going to hit volume down. And sometimes it takes a second to register that. There it goes. And then it gets to the no command screen, and to get out of this into our reset menu, what we want to do is hold power and then tap volume up and let go of both buttons relatively quickly. So we got there, and then we want to use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button again. Now it's deleting. Now it's done, and now we can either reboot the system, which is will load to the welcome screen, or we can just turn it off, and in this case I'm just going to turn it off. But that is how we do a hard reset on a AT&T Propel 3 5G. If you guys have any questions, or like I said, you want to see something special, just drop a comment. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll get you on the next one.